people around the world, this is Marino Lights, and for today's video guys, we will be reacting to one of my Kami Oshi and Emerald 48. Of course, walang iba kundi si Emerald 48. Shaki, I'm very excited to see this. Guys, this is my first time to see her music video, which is Tata Tombi. Sabi ko kasi hindi nakapag-react guys. And kasama na din dito ay react natin ang kanyang sumunod na single, which is Good For You. But before we go on reacting, mag-Emerald 48 update muna tayo. And yeah, this is not good news. This is kind of a sad news. Pero syempre, kailangan masanay ka na as an Emerald Loves, right? So, first one is yung sa pag-graduate ni Emerald 48 Dian, tsaka ni Emerald 48 Gia. Sobrang nagulat ako. Kasi, well, hindi ko naman na sila talaga nakita sa P-pop con. So, parang medyo mahinala na ako na what's happening, ganyan. But, yun, nakakasad lang kasi parang they are one of the gems sa first gen. At talagang nung naalala ko before nung nag 5th anniversary special sila. Kasi I was there. And yun, very excited si Zia to be part of the music video para sa 8 single. Tapos si Dia nag-message pa siya. So nakakasad lang. Tapos napanood ko yung live ni Emerald 48 Dian for the last time. So nakakasad, no? Parang I wish that nagkaroon sila sana ng na center sila sa music video, but well, graduate na din naman talaga si Gia, so I guess kailangan niya na ng stable na job, ganun. It's being an idol is not forever, right? I mean, in this industry, right? So yun. And then ito pinaka unexpected recently lang was si Isabel. You all know guys, na aside from my Kami Oshi Sheki, Captain Isabel is one of my Oshi talaga. So yun, naiyak ako. Naalala ko siya, nakuha ko pa yung letter niya during the 5th anniversary special, and then wala lang, nakakasad. So, as we all know, tinatahak niya pa din naman ang pagiging idol kasi part siya ng B-pop, I believe, sa Itbulaga. So, parang ganun pa din naman yung konsepto that she's aiming to be an idol as well. Sabi niya, wait for me. Kasi ahakbang uli siya sa pagiging idol. But, I was kind of sad because talagang kung merong mag-akit or magtatayo ng bandera ng MNL 48 is isa si Isabel doon, because she's one of the captain. Aside from that, siya talaga yung nagbibigay ng idol vibes at nagja-Japanese ganyan. So parang nagulat ako na what? Isabel, parang why? But yeah, hoping and rooting for you pa rin, Isabel, and for your future endeavors pa, kasi hindi ka naman nalalayo sa pagiging idol. So susuportan ko pa rin ang iyong journey. So, we got you, Isabel. And last was Lara. Actually, hindi pa naman nagpapalit si Lara ng kanyang Facebook page or sa pangalan niya. Pero papunta na doon kasi ini-endorse niya na din yung sa Kumu niya, yung sa iba niyang platforms na wala ng MNL48. So, yun, ready ourselves. Pero I think since Isabel is one of her closest talaga sa MNL48, I guess they've decided to talagang mag-depart na from the group, which is kind of sad guys, kasi yun nga, yung mga gems na yung nawawala, yung mga first gen. So well, I have to ready myself. But the good news is, good news na lang, no? Well, yun, dahil pinapakilala na unti-unti yung 4th gen, so we're hoping hoping for the best for that group. Kasi parang naiiyak ako parang I'm heartbroken as well. You know that Emerald 48 is my first P-pop group, talagang mahal ko. So seeing them like this, parang ano na ng future ng MNL, well, I have to ready myself. So tama ng iyakan guys. Without further ado, mag-enjoy tayo sa MV ng aking Kami Oshi. Alright, so without further ado, let's react. Wow, I believe sa ano to sa Japan to shoot, right? Ganda naman. Oh, so pretty. Ganda niya. Who would imagine na napakakulit na bonita natin. Nagganto na siya kayo pa. So proud of you, Sheki. Wanna know. Tell me. I wanna know, I wanna know, I wanna know. Tell me, tell me. Ganda ng ano. Even the voice, grabe, sobrang... You know. Tell me. I wanna know, I wanna know, I wanna know, hey. Tell me, tell me. Gan Tell me. Oh my god, sobrang bitin, my gosh. Yun na yun. Short music video nga lang daw eh. May joke pa nga daw dyan na short lang kasi short lang siya. But wow, grabe. From being, the teenager that we have saw on Sheki. Actually, parang bata nga, di ba? But ngayon, she's really a lady. And I could have been so proud of her. Grabe. Sobrang grabe yung transformation ni Sheki. And alam mo yun, kasama ka sa journey na yun. And sarap sa pakiramdam na tinatayo niya yung bandera ng grupo niya. I'm so proud of you. The makeup, alam mo, hindi naman the music video didn't give much, right? Pero nakafocus lang sa kay Sheki. But, look at that. Grabe. And let's continue to stream this, guys. 400,000 views na siya sa YouTube. Kaya, congratulations, my Kami Oshi. So, okay, so proceed naman tayo sa kanyang second single, which is Good For Ya. Well, I'm curious about kasi from Tell Me, paano naman kaya niya ipupull up tong, Good For Ya. Kung ganun pa di bang genre or iba naman, let's see. Okay. At parang ikli niya, no? 2:47, 2 minutes and 47, no? Oh, R&B. Oh, You'll Be Mine. Oh. May pagka parang, inviting sexiness yung voices ni Sheki dito, no? Ganun eh, no? Oo. Walang hinga ngayon, ha? Oh. So, parang from Tell Me, ito naman parang, huy. May parang gano'n. Diba? Dinidescribe niya yung someone that she likes. Diba? Fire. Fire. I liked it, you know. Parang pwede mag-dance break siya dyan sa between niya, no? Wow, so I'm really excited kung gagawin to ng music video. Kakaibang Sheki malamang makikita natin dito, no? Talagang from Tell Me, di ba, na parang medyo pa-sweet pa, na umamin ka na, sabihin mo sa akin ganyan. So ngayon naman parang, ako ang para sa'yo, I'm good for you. Oh, grabe ka na talaga, Ate mo Sheki. Grabe ka bonita. Pero, wow, sabi ko nga, I couldn't be prouder na talagang nagmamature na yung ni si Sheki. Sabi niya nga, if I'm an MNL48, I would be so sweet in this genre, ganyan. So, pag ako si Sheki, ito yung i-offer ko, which is talagang, ang galing lang, di ba? The maturity and such, di ba? Kaya kudos sa'yo, Captain. Wow. I'm excited kung magkakaroon to ng music video. So there you have it, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up it up. If you have other P-pop groups or MNL48 Sheki or MNL48 contents that you want us to react to, don't forget to comment on our comment section down below. So learn this now, subscribe to Martin Elijah, lang guys. Until next time, hanggang sa susunod na